Hey, good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So I want to go over a couple of things here. I want to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled electrical companies, Dallas, Texas, and this area right here is what's called the Map Pack. And the top two listed here are the ones that receive a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. And the way to get yourself into these top two is by first having a Google business profile. Second is filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, phone number, photos, just filling everything out. And the third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. And the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search. And the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 3 so people can find you. So the main thing that you want to do with your website is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage primarily. And this is for just a couple reasons. The first reason being is that if your competitor has about 1,000 words, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website and try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords. And keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled electrical companies, Dallas, Texas, if you have that all over your website, it's going to become really relevant for that search. And Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at your website, it's really important to make sure you have enough content on here, the keywords throughout, that's really going to help the website rank. And so I wanted to take a look at one of the competitors in the area, and I have a paid program that I use, and I put them in there just to see what you're up against. So I put in Mr. Electric Dallas, and real quick, I wanted to go over the UR and the DR ratings because they're super important where you fall within the Google search results. And a UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is a power rating with Google, and these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is, and the higher up that they are, the more powerful the site is and the better it's going to rank in the search results. And one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through what's called a backlink. And all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you and sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. And then what we can do is we can click on the ones they have, go through those and get those for your website and then get additional ones as well. And lastly, most importantly, I want to talk about the organic keywords in the content I mentioned before. So for example, we'll click on the keywords for Mr. Electric, and what we have to do is focus on the volume column because that's going to tell us how many people searching for specific keywords in a month, okay? So just as an example, electricians Dallas, 100 people search for that. Dallas electricians, 150 people search for that. Dallas electrician, 200 people search for that. Licensed electrician, Dallas, 70 people search for that. So there's a whole lot of, opportunity for keywords and things like that. But it's really important to get in front of these people. And if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for these terms, the more people are going to find you. And then the more people are going to call you and the more business you're going to get. So I hope that this was helpful for you. And I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So take care and have a great rest of your day.